I finally had to ask Jeremiah for some help, and we got the windshields out, the back windshield and the front windshield, and so all along the frame there is super solid, all but this area near the trunk, just around the passenger side. The rest is solid, but that's fixable. And then the front looks pretty awesome as well. All along here is solid. The roof is solid. Pretty cool. Excited about that. And then another bad area is just around the dash, which that stinks, but it's fixable. And the A-pillar is all nice and clean. It's a lot better than my my last Nova. My 72 was all rotted out over there, and when it rained outside, it rained inside on me. So this is in a lot better shape. So now we're gonna be getting it on a rotisserie soon, and then get it all sandblasted and go from there.